Hi, this is Susan. I have another wreath video for you. This one is because I had a whole bunch of wonderful old vintage lace, and I got a piece of burlap as I found this ring at a thrift store. And I had this idea that it reminded me of an old-fashioned hat, and then to use the lace. That, if you have this lace, it just sits in a drawer, and a lot of times we don't bring it out. Now, I'm partial to putting it underneath all my lamps and things just because I like that old-fashioned cozy cottage look, mixed in with the modern. So it's up to you, but if you have it sitting around, this is a wonderful thought for it, and it goes really cute with an iron bed or an old-fashioned looking bedroom. But there's such large, beautiful pieces. I mean, it amazes me who made these and the time that it took to go into these. Just amazing. And so if you take a needle and thread, just something delicate and small, you don't want to damage any of your lace, you can just sew it on to the burlap. After you've put the burlap onto the ring, you want to cut the outer edge. I was trying to debate whether cutting this off or bringing it all the way in, and you can see I tacked it at the same time. It kind of pulls this together while you're putting the lace on, but I did gather it up and pulled it in because it gave it some body. It helped it stiffen this here, while standing out from the what do they call these? The rings, the hoops. So then I just gently sewed this one on in the center. This is a Dollar Tree butterfly. They're paper, and I think they're just real sweet. They just have this one's kind of, it's pinned. It's partially pinned on, but they have a double-sided tape to stick them. But this one, I guess it fell off, and I pinned it on. But I've used paper wreath. This I just tied in a bow. It's just paper you get from the craft store. And then I've used some of my subdued colored flowers that I had left over. I did have to I went with a needle and thread and went around and tacked them to the burlap. Now, you could definitely glue them to the burlap, but I'm not in favor of gluing because I tend to, I'll use something for a few years and then decide I need it for something else, so I take it apart. So I just don't use the super glue, but if you want to use the super glue, then up in here you can get those flowers tacked down real easily. So it's just a real simple thing, but it's so cottage cozy. Could even be farmhouse. You could do one of these for the bathroom, or at the top of your headboard, or for a door. It's just good for everything. And I have this. See, I have things like the metal sign. That's you find these. I've found them at Half Price Books. I've seen them a lot of different places, and they have them on eBay as well. But they're just adorable signs for the cottagey look. And I had some other ones of these which you might recognize. You might have some that have the flowers attached, and those would be really pretty on a smaller hoop, possibly, because they already have their own flowers. But not that you couldn't add more flowers. But there's so much of this. And then if you want to, decorate it with a plate, put a plate next to it. I showed you a video where I have 3 plates. So these are real nice and cute. You can use them in your bathroom as well. But there's handkerchiefs. You could tuck a handkerchief into your design. You could sew that on in the middle. That would be really pretty. There's just lots of options, and it's super simple. Just hand stitch everything, or glue with the hot glue, but not the needlework. Don't do that. It would kill me. Don't do that to the needlework. But this is actually someone's needlework on this trim, which amazes me that someone needed trim and they hand crocheted all of this trim, and I was just lucky enough to find it. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. And I have a bunch of wreath videos out now. I'm putting all 12 months out that I've made. Slowly but surely. I kind of missed Easter, so I'll get that one out for next Easter. So please have a look at all the different wreaths. And I'll put something out for the summer as well. So thank you so much for dropping by. Please like and share. Bye-bye.